Again, at 5 a.m. in Lafayette, light snow and fog were reported. The temperature was 26. Blizzard warning in effect until noon Central Standard Time today. What? Blizzard conditions. Additional snow accumulations between 2 and 4 inches. Where? Portions of south central and southwest Louisiana and southeast Texas. When? Until noon Central Standard Time today. Impacts. Visibilities may drop below 1/4 mile due to falling and blowing snow. Plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the Tuesday morning and evening commutes. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. Persons should delay all travel if possible. If travel is absolutely necessary, drive with extreme caution and be prepared for sudden changes in visibility. Leave plenty of room between you and the motorist ahead of you, and allow extra time to reach your destination. Avoid sudden braking or acceleration, and be especially cautious on hills or when making turns. Make sure your car is winterized and in good working order. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay in your vehicle. Hazardous